Hello, I'm Amna and I'm going to tell you today that what is the customer service for online stores and sellers. Customer service is in the context of online stores and sellers is a multifaceted operation that serves as a crucial interface between the customers and the business. Here's how it's generally structured and what it involves. Number one is the multi-channel support. Online stores must offer the support across the various channels like email, live chat, social media, and phone. This helps ensure customers can reach out through their preferred method. Responsive assistance. Speed is of the essence. Online sellers strive to provide the quick responses to inquiries and issues, which can include automated systems like the chatbots for instant answers to common questions. Knowledgeable service. Customer service representatives need to have a deep understanding of the products, policies, and procedures of the online store to provide the accurate and helpful information. Order support. Handling the inquiries related to order status, shipping, and delivery timelines. This includes processing the returns and exchanges according to the store's policies. Technical support. For customers facing their difficulties navigating the website or completing a purchase, technical support steps into a troubleshoot and guide them through the process. Feedback collection. Customer service also plays a role in gathering the feedback to improve the shopping experience and to alert the businesses to potential issues with the products or the services. Resolution of issues. When the problem arises, such as an incorrect or damaged item being received, customer service is responsible for resolving these issues to the customer's satisfaction. Follow-up. After issues are resolved, follow-up contact may be made to ensure that the customer is satisfied with the resolution and to maintain a positive relationship. Loyalty program. Customer service representatives might also manage the loyalty programs, including signing up new members, addressing the point inquiries, and helping customers redeem the rewards. Personalization. Providing a personalized experience can include addressing customers by name, remembering past interactions, and making the tailored recommendations. Escalation procedures. When a customer issue can't be resolved at the first level, it is escalated to higher levels of support or to a specialized departments. Training and development. Continuous training ensures that the customer service representatives are up to date with the latest product information, customer service techniques, and the company policies. Privacy and security. Ensuring customer data is handled securely and in compliance with the privacy laws is a critical part of online customer service. Dispute resolution. Handling disputes such as chargebacks or complaints in a way that seeks to protect the customers and the business's interests both. Accessibility. Making sure that customer service is accessible to people with disabilities, which may include providing services like TTY or using accessible web design principles. In summary, customer service for online stores and sellers encompasses a range of services and strategies aimed at producing or providing the customers with a seamless, supportive, and satisfying shopping experience, addressing their needs and issues promptly, and fostering a positive relationship between the customer and our business. Thank you very much for listening to us.